Pull up, bro.
You want your receipt?
No.
Have a good day.
Damn, I did the whole little fucking thing wrong. The whole goddamn thing was upside down. This is bullshit. Hold on, let me see something. I'm trying to fucking make sure this shit work right. I'm trying to make it too obvious, man. I want y'all to make it obvious, man. I be good. They be out here though, bro. There's more and more women like behind the wheels of these Johns, bro. Like I've been saying, bro. Like to me, I think that's a good thing, bro.
Yeah.
That's a good thing, bro. Cause who knows who you gonna run into? You know what I'm saying? If I catch something, I can't let it slide. I gotta come at it, bro. I failed, but it's worth a try, bro. Where she could tell, yeah, where she could tell you is no. How long it take you to get your own truck? Cause like, bro, I've been with Prime for 3 years now, but it's the insurance shit, like.
Oh, insurance.
Yeah. Like,
I'm leased under a company, so then.
huh?
I'm leased under a company, so.
Yeah.
Like with their insurance, I mean, I pay like $200 a week.
Yeah.
Through the company, yeah. But if you're on your own, yeah, you're gonna be paying like. Yeah, I know this guy. I think he probably paid like almost $2,000 a week, probably.
That's a lot of money,
not
though.
a week. I mean a month.
That's a lot of money, though.
You'll make that shit.
A lot of money to be. Yeah, but you gotta bust your ass, bro. I'm trying to work. See, right now, all mine is just mine.
Yeah. Nah, I let him bust my ass, man. But, like I used to do like 4 or 5 days a week.
All right, bro. You be safe, bro. Yeah. Truck stop shit. Bro, this. What's up, though, man? Truck stop shit. Bang, bang, gang, gang, gang. On the way to my last stop. Get back at y'all in a minute, though.